Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Richie and Vanessa Travel. I'm Vanessa.
I'm Richie.
And we are doing a collab with our friends over at Build an Adventure. So we're going to go out and we're going to find some California goodies for them. And they're going to be sending us some Florida goodies. So come along as we
go to find the goodies. Wherever you are, you think you have it bad? Go ahead and look at those prices.
All right, everyone. It's not anywhere else in the U.S. So we had to include something from In-N-Out.
So this is something near and dear to my heart from California.
Unpopular opinion, I don't think it's that good. Is it better than a McDonald's burger? Yes. Is it better than Five Guys?
Yes.
Absolutely not.
Absolutely so.
No!
And the next place on the list is the Home Depot, which is really big. I'm just kidding. Good morning, guys.
Morning. So obviously it's the next day and we are at the Channel Islands Farmers Market to pick up some California goodies for our friends. Come along with us.
Support your local business.
Yep.
And anything I got on there.
It's a Aurora Borealis. Actually just made one for someone. Alright, Ben and Ange, we picked up all your gifts. We will include a note letting you guys know why we chose each item. And we hope you guys enjoy them. We had a ton of fun picking them out for you and remembering why our state is so wonderful.
So if you want to see what we got for them, you're going to have to head on over to their channel.
And if you want to see what they got for us, well, we're about to show you. And before I forget, I believe I mentioned this once in the video already, but their channel is Build an Adventure. So that's where you want to go to see the goodies that we picked up.
I'll put a link down in the description below to their channel.
And now let's see what they sent us. And now it's time for us to open our goodies. Alright guys, now it's time for us to see what Build an Adventure sent us. Obviously it's a different day, we're wearing different clothes, so just thought I'd put that out there. Also, our little Richie is very sicky poo today.
Luckily that it's not COVID, I went and got tested. So it must be the flu or the cold or something, but it's got me messed up.
If he's a little quieter than normal, that's why. Alright, so they included a note and it says, "Hello friends, enjoy this little care package of treats that scream Central Florida to us. We've numbered the gifts so we can explain why they remind us of both Florida and you guys. Aww. Safe adventuring. Build an Adventure, aka Ben and Ange."
That's so nice.
I know, they're so sweet. Alright, so it says number 1. This is from a store called The Heavy, a plant store right behind our home. We thought you could use this journal to plan out future adventures. Aww! We actually, fun story, we actually have a journal for our travels, and it's one that I bought, I think it was at a Michael's store, and it's specifically for like journaling your travels. Aww. Look how cute that is, y'all. Look how cute that is.
That's nice.
Let's see. I'm very old school. I'm like a paper and pen person, so this is perfect.
I'm the same way. I learn things better when I write them down.
Mm-hmm. Oh, that's so cute. Aw, thanks guys.
That's
we love
awesome.
it. And it actually reminds me of like Palm Springs, doesn't it? The print that's on there. Aww. It says item number 2. These little trinkets are from a sweet little store called Hellcats. The pin reminded me of our talks and how it's exhausting to smile all the time. The magnet is to remind you of Florida. Aww. How cute is that? It's a little Florida magnet. This is going on the fridge for sure. And it's pink, which pink is my favorite color. So. Oh, yes. Don't tell me to smile. If I'm not smiling, it's for a reason, so don't tell me to smile. And here's a little business card from the Little Hellcats shop. This is adorable. You hit the nail on the head, Angie. Good job. Last but not least, some goodies from our local bookstore, Writer's Block. Bob Ross soap, because everyone here loves him. Travel trivia to help you decide on your next destination. Ooh,
oh, that's cool.
That is cool.
We were looking into some of those websites that plan a trip for you. The one that you just look at and tell them what you want to do, where you want to go, like a kind of generalization, and then they kind of just tell you, okay, we'll go to the airport at this time, and that's your trip.
Yeah, like a surprise trip. I think that's really cool. Here's the Bob Ross soap. Ooh, and then travel trivia. Questions on world geography and culture. Very cute. It says it's got 51 cards and it's for 2+ players. Aw, these are so cute. I love the Bob Ross soap. Bob Ross. Alright, and then they included some of their channel stickers. So if you guys aren't following them yet, go give them a follow on YouTube and on Instagram. And a little bit of background on how we kind of came across each other's paths was Angie actually found our channel and started commenting on our videos, started following us on Instagram, and we've just become like Insta besties. We have a lot in common, and we definitely hope to meet them in person someday.
If we ever make our way to Florida, definitely meet them.
Or one of their big goals is to buy a campground out here on the West Coast, so in one of these states, not particularly California, but anywhere on the West Coast. So if they ever buy their campground, we'll be some of their first patrons to go stay there. I've never camped, but I would do it to help out a friend. So yeah, so go check them out.
I'll put a link to their channel down below.
And Angie and Ben, thank you guys so much. We love the little gifts. They're so thoughtful, awesome. So cute. And thanks so much for thinking of us for this collab. We really appreciate it. A quick little update. We are planning our next trip, so that's actually going to be coming up in about a month or so. Not going to give too many details on it. I can say we've changed where we're going about 3 times, so hopefully this final one sticks. And we'll give you guys more clues pretty soon. So give us a follow on Instagram if you're not yet following us there, because that's probably where I'll drop the first hints of where our upcoming trip is going to be too. And please give this video a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so yet. And we did hit 700 subscribers.
Finally broke that 685 mark.
So thank you so much to everyone who helped us get there. We really appreciate it. The next goal is 800, so start spreading the word. We love you guys so much. We hope you have a great weekend, and we'll see you in the next one.
See you later.